Welcome back to Mr. Side Hustle. Today I got something really incredible to show you. This channel gets around 10 million views daily and an average of 17 million views simply by posting nothing but shorts. But here's the kicker, they don't make these content from scratch. And these types of videos can earn you around $100 per 100 million views. Take into account the average of 17 million views, this channel could be earning just around $1,700 per day. Today I'll explain how exactly this works so you can start doing it too. Before we begin, drop a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on money-making side hustles that we feature on this channel. Unlike other big channels that has been on YouTube for years, this channel is fairly new. Created on April 23, 2023, it's about 9 months old now, and the channel already has a total of more than 4 billion views by only posting short-form content. The most popular posts range from 30 million to upwards of 100 million views each, and each new post quickly gains views in just a matter of days. By looking at the channel stats on Social Blade, we can see that the channel is estimated to be earning anywhere between $114,000 to $1.8 million a month, all from YouTube Shorts. And the best thing is, they don't make their own videos. Content on this channel are from other platforms like TikTok. You can easily check this by going to the comments, as they always give credit to the video owner. They take the video from TikTok, add their own commentary, and overlay text and captions to it. That's how this channel gets away with it and make money by using this method. If we look at YouTube's monetization policy, if you put a funny or thoughtful spin on content you didn't originally create, you've transformed the content in some way. It's fine to have this type of content on your channel. So as long as you review it, commentate on it, react to it, edit it in a way where you add your own story to it, and not just a direct re-upload, you'll be fine. Copyright still applies, however, so make sure you get the permission of the original creator to reuse their content and give her credit when needed. Pick a niche: fitness, funny clips, fails compilation, cooking, etc., and then stick to it. If you have chosen the fitness niche and all of a sudden you start posting fails compilation videos, your viewers may not like that and affect your viewership. So pick what content you want to focus on and stick to it. One of the easiest way to figure out what videos to work on is to simply look at other channels. If you see a video in your niche, for example sports, that is doing well for a channel, use that idea and look for similar videos. For example, this video seems to be doing well. It's a video of a guy getting trapped under the tarp while covering the playing field. Use this idea, go to TikTok, and search for sports fails. You can use TikTok filters to sort the videos by likes or views. Once you've picked your videos, go ahead and start messaging the original creators to make sure you have permission to reuse their content. You will need to download the TikTok videos to start making content from it. That process is pretty easy as well. There are a lot of free TikTok downloaders you can use. All of them function the exact same way. All you need is a link to the TikTok video, and it will generate a download link for you. Now that you have the videos, the next step is to write the script. As I've shown you, it is important to put your own spin to a video and not just re-upload it. Commentate on the video, narrate what's happening, engage your own viewers to the content. You don't need fancy equipment, you can start recording from your phone. That's all you need. Editing might seem the most difficult for people, but there are also a lot of free tools out there that are very easy to use as well. One of the best free one is Capcut. It's available on your computer or phone. Here's a quick tutorial. Import the video and your recording. Drag the video to the timeline. Drag your recording below the video. You can then adjust where the recording is placed to your liking. Instead of manually typing captions, you can automatically generate it by going to Text, selecting Auto Caption, choose English, then click Create, Then select a big, bold, catchy font and increase the size. Then you can animate the text by going to Animation, choose Caption, and select what effect you like. If the text is too big and you want to adjust how many words show at a time, go to Captions and edit how many words you want per line. Once you are happy, click Export. And an important reminder, make sure to keep the video less than 60 seconds. If the video is longer than 60, YouTube will upload it as a regular video and not as a short. You are now finally ready to upload. You can pick whatever title you want, but it is always a good idea to look at other similar videos and see what they use for captions and tags. If these are working for them, good chance it will work for you. Again, just a reminder, as long as you add something of value to the original content, like commentary, narration, re-editing it with your own spin, these are allowed on YouTube. Do make sure you also have permission from the original creator, just so you don't get in trouble with copyright. Also, make sure to give credit to the original creator via the description or pin a comment with the credits. When it comes to being eligible for monetization, you need to reach 1,000 followers, 4,000 watch hours within the last year, or 10 million views on all of your content in total within the last 90 days. That may seem like big numbers, but with how short-form content is viewed, easy repeat viewings, it is achievable. You need to commit to it and dedicate time to doing it. Remember the example I've shown you. This channel has start from scratch 9 months ago and quickly reached an average of 10 million views a day after a few months. There are channels that reach millions of views in just a matter of 4-6 months. You just have to keep posting, commit to it, and you'll reach these numbers in a reasonable time. If you do commit to doing this, make sure to keep posting. Not all of your videos will work. Some, if not most of them, will definitely fail. With a bit of work and a bit of luck, you'll get those viewership numbers soon enough. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, let me know if you plan on doing it, and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear what you think. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.